Hi, welcome back to the Island Fishing Show. In this episode, we're going to show you one of the reasons why a lot of boats were lost on Prince Edward Island. A lot of fishing boats were lost. A lot of gear was smashed. A lot of everything was just devastated. What caused it was Hurricane Juan. Hurricane Juan was a Category 2 hurricane, which devastated the island. It hit Nova Scotia bad and Halifax. This is some of the never seen footage before of the hurricane, of Hurricane Juan. I don't think anybody's seen this before, this footage. I shot this the morning after. I could not get out to the shore that night because it was blowing too hard and the water was over top of all the roads. So I had no way of getting to the site. So anyway, here's Hurricane Juan. It was filmed a few years ago, and hope you enjoy it. There's a lot of unique footage that you won't believe. Yeah.
Across the trees, man. Hope you didn't use the big fella. Most of the big trees, that's it. Hurricane gusts were to 150 last night. Calm now. Just the remnants of Hurricane Juan. Lost another tree. Trees are down everywhere, all across the island. Floods. The hurricane really was bad last night. 150-kilometer winds. Trees down everywhere. Power poles. They're telling people to stay indoors. It's not safe to walk outside. The power lines are down everywhere. Floods, trucks have an awful smashing. Trees are down everywhere. Trees are all broken, snapped. Everything's all smashed. All the trees are down now. They say it's the worst storm ever hit PEI. Trees are down everywhere. Hurricane Juan. You can see trees are down, everything's knocked down. Hurricane Juan was around and trees are down everywhere across the road, as you can see. Car coming here. Hurricane Juan. Nobody's supposed to be out driving around today, they said, but there's a lot of people still driving around. Power lines are down everywhere, I guess. trees all up, down, up over there, all up to the back way there. Trees down everywhere. As you can see, the water was right up over top of the Bido Bridge, about 7 to 8 feet. You can see the remnants of this from the storm. Seaweed is all over the bridge. It was 7 or 8 feet above the bridge at the time. The Bido Hill. You can see that the water was way over top of the road. It was right over top of here. Hard to believe, eh? The water come right over top of the road here. Right across the Bido Bridge. Smashed all the bridge up. High the water here in the wharf, Victoria. Boats all on top of the set. Just to show you how high the water was up in Victoria, the water coming up over the road. And there's a seaweed on the middle of the road. Just show you how high the tide had come up on the tidal surge. And there's how high it come up. So you can just imagine how much water, because the fishing boats were on top of the wharf last night. A couple of the boys just talking with their holes in the boats and everything. The seaweed come all the way out to the edge of the road, just where the water was. So you just imagine how high that tide was, and it come all the way out to the middle of the road. Come up 50 feet, the water, or more. Wires are down here. Gotta kind of watch the drivers. See down the village of Victoria here. The trees are all smashed. You see the trees all hanging down. It's still pretty dangerous driving around here. Trees all smashed. Somebody out here now. What are they doing now? Pump shack there, but it could be wrong. Where's that? There it is. Look at this. Wicked. Hurricane blew this potato stand over. Did a good job of her. No, it's a bill. It's a bill. I think it's low. Beer in the back.
That's my drink.
Iron. The hurricane was so powerful, the tidal surge was so strong. A big cinder block there. God, it's hard to believe it. Drove all these cement blocks way up on the shore. That's somehow, imagine the pound and the waves.
And a piece of block.
We gotta have a look there. I think it washed most of that.
I was just going to say that. Yeah. We'll take a look at it.
Yeah, you know, leave the door open there.
Look at the flow here. Look. This is the fastest I've ever seen this running. This is just incredible. The tide is that strong from the hurricane. Yeah, it wouldn't be safe to walk there, would it? Unreal. As you see, the storm was that powerful that it washed up 200 and 300 pound blocks on the shore. Some of them are huge, and washed them way up to right up to the road to the causeway. Some of them blocks weigh 200 or 300 pounds. That's amazing. Smashed all the rocks. Broke all this away. Total. Truly amazing. The size of these rocks. It washed them all the way from down there, all the way up to here. Way up from here. All the way up to the road. So the wave, the water was up past the road, over top of the road here last night. Wow.
It's hard to believe all this.
I can't believe
men up here.
That's unreal. Look at the size of them, too. Look. Like, you imagine, like, that's got to weigh 200 pounds or more, that one there.
Unreal. Oh, that just blew up.
Yeah, I know. Well, here's some here, look. Oh.
Oh, look out. You're done.
And that's just a few shots of Hurricane Juan. There's a lot more footage there. It'll have to be edited. That's just a rough take there, but gives you an idea of the power of the storm. Like I said, there was a lot of boats smashed. All right, thank you very much for watching the Island Fishing Show. Appreciate it.